Fit the gutter clips at regular intervals along the outside of the conservatory roof, as directed in your instructions. Attach all the pieces of your gutter together. Then fit the gutter onto the gutter clips. Following your instructions, cut out a hole in the last piece of guttering and attach the fixings for the downpipe. You can now put the downpipe together, cutting to size if necessary. Then attach the downpipe to the wall. If required, you can adjust the door hinges so the doors close properly. Look at your instructions for further details, and we recommend an Allen key to do this. And that's it. Job complete. You're now ready to enjoy your conservatory and add any internal decoration as you wish.